Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Evening everybody, welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things were going in a little Jamaica. My name is Rennae Nichols. The glean of the Tuesday, May 19, 2009 said the government of Jamaica make up their mind to put out one $5,000 bill. Sake of that, enough people will have them own business a complaint say I want bad move for Jamaica cause it only like a show say the Jamaican dollar weak and say the country get poorer and poorer. The minister who managed the country money, Audley Shaw, said the country will have money problem anyway because the Jamaican people them now work so hard like one time and we feel own up to it. The governor for the Bank of Jamaica, Derek Latibodere, did say the $5,000 bill have to make because on the world level, no country can have more than a certain amount of them biggest money. For Jamaica, that's our $1,000 bill. Right now, we have too much $1,000 bill we print and I use already. And him said, the country can save some money because it costs less for print one $5,000 bill than for print five $1,000 bill. The Observer for May 19, 2009 says some of the people them will always pick up Jamaican culture and talk about who for face them for put on the new money. Them a complain say, I should have Bob Marley them put on it. Them say Bob Marley put Jamaica on the map and make more tourists come here so the country can make more money. The head of the Edna Manley Drama School, Eugene Williams, said in a them your hard time here, Jamaica should have looked to the era them with big up education and culture. As according to Williams, it should have been Louise Bennett coverly on the $5,000 bill. Tony Morrison from the Bank of Jamaica did try to show why them choose to put Hugh Lawson sheriff on the bill. Him say Jamaica have one law where say a uncle the national era them and Prime Minister were dead and gone figure upon the kind and the paper money them. Hugh Lawson sheriff are the next Prime Minister were dead and gone and I go upon the money yet. The Observer bring up the fact say, although the law might say one thing, one long-time finance minister, Noel Neversole, did depend the $20 bill from 1976 till 2000. Although the people them have them own pick as to who are the best money for put on the new money, the only thing we know for sure I say, as from yesterday, May 18, 2009, the government said the $5,000 bill have to make and a Hugh Lawson sheriff face I got depend. This is the Akshan Taak.